I have beef mince, half kilo, pork mince, half a kilo. Let me gather all the ingredients together and I will tell you this is going to be a lovely method and I'll ensure I'm not... So let me take some coriander leaves from my herb patch. Not much, just a small bunch. That should be sufficient, I guess. Oh, that's perfect. Wonderful. The pork mince first, okay? Then we will add the beef mince, right? And we will mix all together, okay? But meantime, I'll also add my chopped onion. Yeah, that's one onion, okay? Then my chopped ginger garlic, okay? Then I will chop the beautiful coriander leaves and mint leaves that I just pulled out from the garden, okay? I definitely have to add my lime. If the seeds fall, you can see them, pull them off. Otherwise, just don't worry about them. They will just be there. Don't worry. Okay? There you go. So we will throw in the beautiful coriander and mint leaves. Okay? Voila. Then we will break one egg. You definitely need one egg. Okay? Just need to break the egg. Bit of practice, you will get there. You will get there. Breaking egg is not very difficult. Some practice. So let's add, say, 1 small teaspoon of coriander cumin powder. Okay. Of crushed pepper. So only half masala. Turmeric always, half is always recommended. I love turmeric in my cooking. Don't know why, but I love turmeric. We definitely need to put some. Okay, we need to put some breadcrumbs. Okay, this will bind all together. Just see the consistency. If it is too wet, don't add the egg. If it is not very wet, you can add some egg and you can add some breadcrumbs. Now let's use our hand. I prefer always to use the hand and mix. Okay, mix them all together. We have put everything here. Unfortunately, I don't have green chilies. I would add some green chilies to make it spicy, but never mind. You can manage with your curry chili powder. Yeah, so let's not make it spicy here, but you can make it spicy. So I've tried to mix all together, but unfortunately it's too dry. Let me add one more egg. Let me see how we go. Okay, time to add one more egg. The general trick in a good mix is you need to, punch in between and then move this in. Okay, that's the way you can get everything mixed together. Okay, create a kind of a bowl and move this all in and redo the same thing around 2 to 3 times. Then your mix becomes excellent, outstanding. Okay, that way. Okay, so remember this beautiful trick. It's very nice. So my mix is ready. I've done a bit of tasting, and you don't make them too big because then your cooking time will increase and they start cracking, all that stuff. Need to be a bit knowledgeable here. You need to make them just as big enough, and we will start. So that's what happened to what is left. So that's what happened to be assembled here nicely, just like in school, how we used to assemble ourselves for the march past. Okay, we had a beautiful PT master, Hippie Vincent, Kairana, okay, and Kairana, Manjapaya, and Jema Pachu. Cheers, guys. This one will be very tasty.